This is the first lecture of unit 3rd. This unit is generating function and recurrence relation. Now first we are going to discuss about the generating function. So the basically generating functions generate from the numeric function. So the numeric function is a series in the power form, means that just like as a geometric progression. So the domain of this series is numeric function, means that we have domain and codomain. Domain is natural number, codomain is a natural number. This is a function. If we have a mapping such that mapping of natural number should be natural number, this is called discrete numeric function. Discrete numeric function, basically in the short form we can say it is the only numeric function. Discrete numeric function is also called the numeric function. Okay, this numeric function can be written denoted by AR. Basically it is denoted by AR. Okay, but for the bold letter we can also denote as a bold letter as a A, but this is denoted by the AR. So this is a general term. So A0, A1, A2, A3, A4, AR is the numeric functions. So this is the first term, this is the second term, this is the third term, this is the RF term. This is a general term. So 0, 1 and 2 and R are the numeric values corresponding to A0, A1, A2 and AR. So this is denoted, this is denoted as a AR equal to 7R cube plus 1, that is R greater equal 0. If you will put R equal to 0, then you will get A0 corresponding to value of this variable, and if you will put R equal to 1, then you will get A1 and A2 and AR. Getting? And if we have the function BR, actually in the later slides we will discuss how we can write this function, okay, BR, AR, how we are going to write in this way, AR, BR, CR, DR, what they are exactly, why we are writing in such a manner. So we will discuss in the later slides. Basically we have solved some series. So the solution of the series is this. So we have written in the form of AR, BR, CR and DR. If we are taking AR here, so this will generate the AZ function. If BR here, the BZ function. If we are taking the CR, the CZ function, and DR generate the DZ function. Okay. So if R lie between 0 and 10, that this function will work. If R greater equal 0, then this function will work. But it is, I think so, something wrong here, because if R equal to 11, then it is a 22, but R equal to 11, it will work 3 to the power 11 minus 1. It will not be equal to the 22. So it should be greater than 22. Okay. If we have the function CR, R equal to 3 5 7, then the result will be minus 4, otherwise 0. For the DR equal to, if R lie between 0 and 5, it should work 2 plus R. If R greater 0, but R is odd number, 2 minus R. If R 2 divided by R greater 5, R is even number. So this is the general notations. And now we can manipulate the numeric function. Manipulate means that we can find the sum of two numeric functions or the product also. For finding the sum, we should make the range as equal. But we know that we want to make the larger range break up. We can break the larger range into the smaller range, but smaller range cannot be increased to the larger range. So the range is that r between lie 0 and 1, but r here lie between 0 and 2. So we can break this range because this is a larger range. So we can break 0 to 1 and r equal to 2, because there is no scope for any real numbers here, because we will work on the integer numbers only, as we have already discussed. This is a numeric function, so it will work only the numeric values 0, 1 and 2. So r equal to r greater than or r lie between 0 and 2, r greater 3, and if r between 0 and 1 and r greater or equal to, so we can break in this way. We have the series r 1 2 and 0. So r 0 and 1 and the r equal to 2 and r greater or equal 3. This is the range of first variable. Okay, now we will break this. So r greater than 0 and 1, it is given range, but we have the r greater or equal 3, r greater or equal 2. So we can break like this: r equal to 2 and r greater or equal 3. Okay, so in this manner we break like this: r 0 and 1 lie between 0 and 1, r equal to 2 and r greater or equal 3. For the same function we will add, if r lie between 0 and 1, this function will work 3 minus 2r and plus 0. So if you will add 0, there will be no effect. For r equal to 2, this function will work. For r equal to, this function will work, but for r equal to 2, in this function it 0 will work. So you should add r to r plus 2 plus 0. So if you will put r equal to 2 here, then you will get 4. So on r equal to 2, the result is 4. Now the for r greater or equal 3, this function will work, and for r greater 3, this function will work. So you should add 2 की power minus r plus r of 5 plus 2, that is 7. The result will be 2 की power minus r or plus r plus 5 plus 2, 7. Okay, now the next this is the addition, and now this is the multiplication. Just you should multiply with the range 0 and 2 and r greater or equal 3. We should make, and then we will get the result, because if you will multiply by 0 between 0 and 2, so between 0 and 2, okay, so all the results will be 0, and for r greater or equal 2, this result will work. So you should multiply r plus 2 by 2 की power minus r plus 5, then you will get this result. Okay, it's very simple. Now we are going to discuss generating function. So the a1, a0, a1, a2, ar are the numeric functions. So if we will introduce a variable z with power function with this numeric function, so a0 z0, a1 z1, a2 z2, ar zr, an zn, okay, up to infinity. So this is called generating function. Okay, so 3 power 0, 3 to the power 1, 3 power 2, 3 power r, this is a numeric function. If we will introduce a variable z with power function, this is called the generating function. So just put the value of a0 30, a1 31, a2 32, ar zr, that is 3r. So this series becomes, what will be the solution of this series? I will explain with the help of paint. what will be the solution of this series. So now I am going to open the new page. Actually we have a series 1 plus z plus z square plus z cube plus z4, okay, and plus z to the power r up to infinite. So what will be the solution? This is a geometric progression, GP, and this GP have the sum of infinite terms. We know that a upon 1 minus r, okay, a upon 1 minus r, where a is the first term. So first term of this series is 1 minus r. R is a common ratio, that is second term divided by the first term, and first term divided by the second term divided by the first term, third term divided by the second term, or fourth term divided by the second term. So it becomes z, okay. So the final answer of this series is 1 upon 1 minus z. If we want to find the value of r, so second term upon first term and plus third term upon second term r equal to z. So we have put here r equal to z. So the final answer of this series is that. So if we will put here 3z to the power 1, 3z to the power 2, 3z to the power 3, and 3z to the power r. So the final answer of this series, it becomes 1 upon 1 minus 3z. So that this is the series we were discussed here: 3z to the power 1, 3z to the power 2, 3z to the power 3, 3z to the power r. Okay, so the answer of this series 1 upon 1 minus 3z. Okay. Now we have the numeric function ar equal to 7, 3 to the power r. We have a series ar equal to 7 dot multiply 3 to the power r. Just you should put here a0, it becomes 7 into 3 to the power 0. If you will put here a1 equal to 7 3 to the power 1, a2 7 into 3 to the power 2, a3 7 into 3 to the power 3, a4 7 into 3 to the power 4, ar equal to 7 into 3 to the power r. We have calculated all the terms. Now we are going to put in the series. We know that generative function is az equal to a0 z0 a1 z1 a2 z2 a3 z3 ar zr. Put all the values a0 a1 a2 a3 a4. Put all the values. And then we will get a new series. So I am opening the new paint. Now we should put all the values from here, a0, a1, a2, a3 in this series. Now we have the series, it becomes 7 and 3 to the power 0 z0, 7 3 to the power 1 z1, 7 3 to the power 2 3 to the power 2 z2, 7 3 to the power 3 z3. Okay, now 3 to the power r z to the power r plus. So we will make the common house for this series and 7 take as a common. So it becomes 3 to the power 0 z to the power 0. It means that 3 z to the power 0, it becomes 1 plus 3z to the power 1 plus 3z to the power 2 up and so on, and in the end 3z to the power r. So this is a series we have discussed in the previous time, means that just in the previous slide we have discussed, just in this slide here, 3z 3 square z square 3z cube 3z to the power r 1 upon 1 minus 3z. Okay, so this is a similar series, so it becomes 7 upon 1 minus 3z. Okay, so the here 7 upon 1 minus 3z. So similar you can find this, similar you can find this. Okay, now these are the reference, and thank you.